What are you doing, Al? What? Hi. I love you. I love you, Al. Oh, I love you, Al. I love you.
We need Dad to do the filming. He was much better at it than we were.
Hey!
Big pieces of bark. That's what it says, bark nuggets.
Look out, Burl! Look out!
Coming through.
The scissors up there.
Oh, do I have to help you? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hand him the scissors. I'd throw it to him and have him catch it, but he'd just miss it. Just like I used to throw from third to second base and he'd miss it.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Take his eye off the ball right when it gets there.
That is total bullshit.
That's the truth, mister. And you know what?
You can't handle the truth.
What the hell is that? You're doing a hell of a job, Mike. A hell of a job. Sorry, Al. I stepped on your foot. I stepped on your foot. Whoa. You are fast, Turtle. You're fast. The only thing he wants to do is play. Oh, you got a stick. Oh, boy. Come on. You want me to throw that for you? You want me to throw that for you? That's a stick. You might poke your eye out with that, young man. I'm gonna get something and you guys can fight over it. I know that's what's gonna happen. Oh! There he goes. I know, go get it. Oh! Now don't chew that up. That's not what it's for. Go get it, Burl. I know, you don't want to fight with your mom. I know. Al, give that to me. Let me have it. I know you had it. I know. Is he supposed to bring it to you? Is he supposed to bring it to you? Is he supposed to bring it to you? This is 4K, you say?
Yep.
Yep.
4K at 30
Frames per minute?
per second.
Oh, per second?
Per second.
Wow. I'd give you something, but you just tear it up and you're bleeding and everything. I know. Go get it. Here he comes. Here he comes. She used to chase him around. They get a hold of it. You got, look out! Go lay in the bush. There you go. People and their dogs. People and their animals. She's gonna do a sneak attack. Watch. Oh no, she's gonna ignore him. Throw it for him.
Okay, Burble.
Watch out.
Ready, set.
Oh! Hit out. Aww. Oh, did she? Maybe. Good move, Burp. He faked one way and went the other. He did a little shuffle.
It's not that much more.
No,
Just gonna do
I
this.
don't know why you're saving this tree. I wish it's gonna ruin the roof,
Well, I'm gonna trim that off, make it round.
but it's ruining the foundation too, I'm sure.
I don't think so.
Well, that's why we haven't done it, because Mike don't think so. Well, that was a good move out, but he is too fast. He's too fast. I would give you one, but you just tear it up. I mean, they're shredded in a matter of minutes.
Ready, set.
Go get it, 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 get it, get it. Needs the exercise. Hurry up, Mike. We should just set this up on a tripod and then we both could do it.
There's not gonna be much left.
She's over there hiding behind the tree. They're watching us. You ain't gonna give it to me. I think so. He's foaming at the mouth. This is a neighbor's fence. We're gonna have to do something. Burrow, you're gonna wear yourself out. Uh-oh. Now you can trap him, Al. Tackle him. The standoff. Nowhere to go out, Burble. Watch. Here he comes. I know. Look, here he comes. There he goes. Oh, almost. Oh, almost got it. I think they're gonna take me out here in a minute. Now they're using me as a block. If I go falling down. No! I know, Al. Oh. Throw it, Uncle Mike, throw it. Oh. I know, Al. It's tough. Getting older. I don't think you could have ever kept up with him, though. Good move, Burv. Come get it, Al. It's good for you to exercise. Burville's keeping his mother young. You wouldn't give it to me anyway. So proud of himself. She's just right in front of me. I don't know. I think that's perfect.
Cover up the rest with the bark and
Well, just leave it undone and get it when it's get some more of that stuff. Yeah, I probably have some around here. Let's I'll put some bark on it.
I love you. I love you, Al. Oh, I love you, Al. I love you.
Oh, mercy me, oh, mercy mine. Down on my knees, I got my arms stretched to the sky. Trouble to the left of me, sorrow to the right. Can you hear me, Lord, and can you lead me to the light? I lift my voice, I call your name, as I toil down in this valley of strife and pain. I've been over backwards, paid it all forwards, don't have a dime to my name, and my debt to you could never be repaid. When the heat wave starts to break and the ice and snow melts away, when the tears we've cried have all run dry and we find the rainbow's end, we'll be walking in the sunshine with him. my cries. I need you to make up my bed when I die. Forgive me for the trespass. Can't you see I'm running out of time to make it well with my soul by and by? When the heat wave starts to break and the ice and snow melts away, when the tears we've cried have all run dry and we find the rainbows in, we'll be walking in the sunshine